The petitioner has filed a complaint regarding sexual harassment allegedly committed in 2008 but reported in 2018. The matter before this court is whether the case can proceed under limitation laws or not.
This court is now in session. The prosecution may present its argument. Your Honor, this is not just about a legal technicality. This is about justice being denied because of time. In 2018, Tanushree Dutta filed a complaint against veteran actor Nana Patekar, choreographer Ganesh Acharya, producer Sameer Siddiqui, and director Rakesh Saram. She alleged that during the filming of a dance sequence in 2008, she was touched inappropriately by the accused despite her clear refusal. For 10 years, she remained silent, fearing backlash, but when the Me Too movement ignited, she found the courage to speak. Yet now, the court says she has spoken too late. For 10 years, my lord, she remained silent not because she was lying, but because she was threatened, isolated, ignored. When the Me Too movement gave her courage to come forward, the legal system shut the door on her, stating, "You are too late." Your Honor, is justice supposed to have expiration date, or is it really justice versus time? Your Honor, the law is not based on emotions, it is based on acts, limitations, and due process of law. Under Section 468 of CRPC, presently 514 of Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, an offence punishable by 2 years or less has a 3-year limitation period. The incident allegedly took place in March 2008. The complaint was filed in October 2018, a decade later, my lord. The law is clear, the case cannot proceed. Justice is not about guesswork or emotion. It is about timelines and evidences. And this case, unfortunately, has neither. We cannot ignore the realities of sexual harassment cases. Victims do not always speak immediately because of fear, repercussions, power, dynamic, public shame. These are the real reasons victims stay silent. If the Me Too movement has taught us anything, it is that the system fails victim when it always values deadlines over truth. Shouldn't the court focus on whether the accusations are true rather than whether they are filed on time or not? The law cannot be retrofitted to fit a movement. What a prosecution is asking for emotion over legality. Are you serious? If we allow such cases from decades ago to be reopened based on this personal memory alone, where does it end? How do we separate fact from fiction then? Memories fade, witnesses disappear, evidence is lost. Actually, this is why limitation laws exist. Not to deny the justice, but to ensure fair trials which are based on facts, not fading recollections, my lord. The police already investigated this case in 2019 and filed a B summary report, citing a lack of evidence. How long did the accused have to drag through the mud without concrete proof? And if there is no evidence, no witness, and no legal standing, what exactly are we doing here? This court finds the seriousness of allegations, however, we must rule based on law as it stands, not based on the movements or public sentiments. That's right, under 468 of CRPC, presently the 514 of BNSS, this case is barred by limitation. The 3-year window to file the complaint has expired in 2011. The law does not permit this court to take cognizance of this matter. And so, the complaint is rejected. Not because it was true or false, not because it lacked evidence, but because the law said it is too late. But what if the law is late? What if the system itself silences victims? If justice is bound by time, then what happens to those who take time to find their voice? If justice has a time limit, does injustice have one too? This video is based on a real events, and should the law prioritize technicalities over truth? Share your thoughts. See you in the next episode. The case is dismissed.